Major maintenance of modular models. Prepare a 300 ml watering can, one 500 ml volumetric cup, a box of non-woven wipes, special disinfectant and cleaner for ice maker, 2 brushes with diameter of 30 and 50 ml, 1 electronic weighing machine, 1 short handle cross screwdriver and 1 caliper. The maintenance person needs to crosswise wash their hands with a non-woven cloth. Wear disposable gloves. Please disconnect the power before operation. Open the door panel and remove the ice baffle. Remove the fixing screws of the spray pipe and take down it. Remove the connector of water supply pipe. Remove the 2 fixing screws of water pump. Remove the water pump light. Remove the water level sensor, the water inlet pipe and the water pipe. Remove the filter screen of the water pump. Completely remove the water supply pipe. Remove the inner pipe, outer pipe and head of the spray pipe. According to the monthly cleaning proportion instructions, prepare a certain amount of cleaning solution into the container. Ensure that the cleaning agent is completely dissolved. Put the water supply pipe, spray pipe, head and filter screen of water pump into the solution and soak them for 15 minutes. During the soaking period, Repeatedly scrub the spray pipe and water supply pipe with a clean sponge. Clean the inner wall of the spray pipe repeatedly with a brush. Rinse the spray pipe and water supply pipe with clean water after 15 minutes. According to the monthly cleaning mix description, prepare a certain amount of disinfectant into the container. Make sure the disinfectant is completely dissolved. Put the water supply pipe, spray pipe, head and filter screen of water pump into the solution and soak them for 15 minutes. During the soaking period, repeatedly scrub the spray pipe and water supply pipe with a clean sponge. Of the spray pipe repeatedly with a brush. Rinse the spray pipe and water supply pipe with clean water after 15 minutes. According to the monthly cleaning mix description, prepare a certain amount of cleaning solution in the container. After complete dissolution, put the solution in a watering can. Spray the cleaning solution to the inner wall of ice tray, water tank and other plastic parts with the watering can. Repeatedly wipe the tank, ice tray and its plastic parts, side plates on both sides and other sanitary areas with a cleaning sponge. Put clean water into the watering can. Spray to evaporator, water tank and other sanitary areas. And scrub it with a cleaning sponge. According to the monthly cleaning mix description, prepare a certain amount of disinfectant solution and spray the solution inside the ice tray, water tank and repeatedly wipe the tank, ice tray and its plastic parts, side plates on both sides and other sanitary areas with a cleaning sponge. Put clean water into the watering can. Spray to evaporator, water tank and other sanitary and spray it with a cleaning sponge. Spray clean water to the inner wall around the ice bucket with a watering can. Wipe the inner wall of the ice bucket repeatedly with a cleaning sponge and rinse it with clean water. Assemble the removed inner pipe, outer pipe, and head of the spray pipe. Fasten the filter screen of the water pump. Connect the water supply pipe and water inlet pipe with water pump. Tighten the tie. Install the water level sensor. Get the water pump fixed. Get the water pump cable plugged. And install the two fixing screws. Tie up the water supply pipe of the water pump and the spray pipe with a plastic hose clamp. Install the fixing parts of the spray pipe and tighten the screws. Install the ice baffle and then the cleaning process to ensure the food safety. Please discard the first 5 plates of ice. In the process of ice making, press and hold the cleaning button on the display panel, and press the machine and hold the key for 3 seconds to force the machine to drain. According to the weekly cleaning mix description, configure cleaning solution and solvent equivalent to the capacity of the water tank. The machine will automatically clean for 15 minutes. The machine will enter water and wait after cleaning. Then press and hold the key for 3 seconds to force drainage. According to the weekly cleaning mix description, prepare disinfectant solution equivalent to the capacity of the water tank. Click the cleaning button and the water will automatically cycle disinfect for 15 minutes. Clean the ice baffle, water tank, inner wall and other sanitary areas with clean water. The machine will automatically enter rinsing mode after the cleaning process ends after rinsing for 25 minutes. To ensure the food safety, please discard the first 5 plates of ice.